In this video, we see multiple choice questions of topic synthetic polymers. On my Swapnali S. Jadhav channel, you can also get videos of chemistry. So subscribe my channel, like my videos and share to your friends. Let us start multiple choice questions from topic synthetic polymers. First question, a polymers are grouped on the basis of their origin, property, structure, all of these. So correct option is option D, that is all of these. A polymers are grouped on the basis of their origin, their property, their structure, means option D is correct. On the basis of source, polymers are grouped into natural, synthetic, derived, all of these. So on the basis of source, polymers are grouped into natural polymers, synthetic polymers, derived polymers, means correct option is D, that is all of these. Empirical formula of polymer and monomer is same in . Options are homopolymer, addition polymer, both A and B, none of these. So correct option is option C, both A and B. Empirical formula of polymer and monomer is same in homopolymer and additional polymer. Next, a polymer can be greatly deformed by applying stretching force, but when force is removed, regain its original form called . Elastomers, thermoplastics, thermosettings, none of these. So correct option is A, elastomers. A polymer can be greatly deformed by applying stretching force, but when force is removed, regain its original form called the elastomers. In the unstretched form, rubber exists in . Linear, branched, crystalline, amorphous. So, in the unstretched form, rubber exists in amorphous form. Next question, in the stretched form, rubber exists in . Linear, branched, crystalline, amorphous. So, in the stretched form, rubber exists in crystalline form, that is option C. Polymers that soften on heating and harden on cooling are known as . Elastomers, rubbers, thermoplastics, thermosettings. So polymers that soften on heating and harden on cooling are known as thermoplastics, that is option C. The next question, the intermolecular force of attraction in thermoplastics are ... than elastomers. Weaker, stronger, constant, none of these. So correct option is B, stronger. The intermolecular force of attraction in thermoplastics are stronger than elastomers. The polymers which change to an infusible and insoluble mass on heating are the ... elastomers, rubbers, thermoplastics, thermosettings. So correct option is D. The polymer which change to an infusible and insoluble mass on heating are the thermosettings. Next, polymer that hardens permanently at critical temperature is ... elastomers, rubbers, thermoplastics, thermosettings. So correct option is option D, thermosettings. Polymers that hardens permanently at critical temperature is thermosettings. Structurally, polymers are grouped into ... linear, branched, cross-linked, all of these. So structurally, polymers are grouped into linear polymers, branched polymers, cross-linked polymers, means correct option is D, that is all of these. Next question, interchange cross-linking is highest in ... polymer. Polystyrene, polyethylene, bakelite, thermosetting. So correct option is D. Interchange cross-linking is highest in thermosetting polymer. Tertiary butyl peroxide polymerizes ethylene by mechanism ... Cationic mechanism, anionic mechanism, free radical mechanism, none of these. So correct option is option C. Tertiary butyl peroxide polymerizes ethylene by mechanism, that is free radical mechanism, option C. Chemical species that promotes free radical polymerization is dot dot. Ziegler-Natta, H plus, tertiary butyl peroxide, acid. We see that chemical species that promotes free radical polymerization is tertiary butyl peroxide or also benzoyl peroxide. Remember that. Free radical binds to monomer to form dot dot. Smaller cation, smaller anion, larger cation, a larger free radical. So free radical binds to monomer to form a larger free radical, means option D. In presence of BF3H2O, polymerization active species formed is dot dot. Cationic, anionic, free radical, coordination. So in presence of BF3H2O, polymerization active species is formed is cationic, option A. Coordination polymerization is catalyzed by dot dot. H plus, BF3H2O, PHCOOOCPH, AlEt3 TiCl4. So correct option is AlEt3 TiCl4 means Ziegler-Natta. Coordination polymerization is catalyzed by Ziegler-Natta catalyst. A linear polymer is most likely by using the catalyst dot dot. Cationic, anionic, acid, Ziegler-Natta. So a linear polymer is most likely by using the catalyst Ziegler-Natta. Regular repeating stereochemical geometry is seen in dot dot. Isotactic, syndiotactic, both A and B, atactic. So correct option is C, that is both A and B. Peroxides and hydroperoxides used as a catalysts for manufacture of dot dot. LDP, HDP, here not PVP, PVC, remember that, PVC, none of these. So peroxides and hydroperoxides used as a catalyst for manufacturing of LDP. LDP means low density polymer. LDP means low density polymer, remember that. Ziegler-Natta and metallocene catalysts used for manufacturing of dot dot. LDP, HDP, PVC, none of these. So Ziegler-Natta and metallocenes catalysts are used in for manufacturing of HDP. HDP means high density polymer. High density polymer. Remember that. Next, azo compounds or redox initiators are used as a catalyst for manufacturing of dot dot. LDP, HDP, PVC, none of these. So azo compounds or redox initiators are used as a catalyst for PVC, that is polyvinyl chloride. Next, the monomer used for PVC manufacturing is dot dot. Styrene, polythene, chloroethene, formaldehyde. So correct option is chloroethene, that is option C. PDCP is obtained by doping dot dot agent. Oxidizing, reducing, both A or B, none of these. So PDCP is obtained by doping oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent, which oxidizing agent? That is Lewis acid. Oxidizing agent is Lewis acid. That include iodine, bromine or FeCl3. Remember that. And PDCP means what? P doped conducting polymer. P doped conducting polymer. Then next question, NDCP is obtained by doping dot dot agent. Oxidizing, reducing, both A or B, none of these. So correct option is NDCP is obtained by doping reducing agent. Reducing agent means Lewis base. Lewis base, sodium, lithium metals or ClO4 minus, remember that. And NDCP means N doped conducting polymer. Doped conducting polymer. DCP means doped conducting polymer. Then next, conducting polymers carry dot dot. Doped impurities, extended conjugation, blending of conducting element, any of these. So correct option is D, any of these. The next, the CPs are used in dot dot. Gas sensors, storage batteries, PCBs, all of these. So CPs means conducting polymers. The conducting polymers are used in gas sensors, storage batteries, PCBs, means correct option is D, that is all of these. Polymer or plastic solar cells are dot dot based photovoltaic cells. Carbon, boron, nitrogen, none of these. So polymer or plastic solar cells are carbon based photovoltaic cell, that is option A. The most oxidized state of PANI is, options are emeraldine, leucoemeraldine, per nigroaniline base, none of these. So correct option is option C. The most oxidized state of PANI is per nigroaniline base. And last question, smart window is one that dot dot is glassless, in dark, opens automatically, closes and opens automatically, lets or blocks light radiations to pass through. So correct option is smart window is one that lets or blocks light radiation to pass through. Here we completed the multiple choice questions from topic synthetic polymers. Thank you for watching my video. Still some friends do not subscribe, so I request to him, please subscribe my channel, like my videos and share to your friends. Check the description box once again. Thank you.